ma'am, my first question is, life sciences is a very broad term. Can you please help us out to define that?
Okay. Basically, to be very, very simple for my audience, life science is something that deals with the living cells. Okay, the study of the living cells. So if you're interested in studying the cells of the plants, so one tends to study botany. If one is interested in studying the cells of animals, one tends to study zoology. If one is interested in studying the bacterial cells, fungus, microbial cells, he or she will tend for microbiology. And if one doesn't want to deal with any of the living cell, but actually wants to deal with the technique to study these cells, then it is biotechnology which is usually preferred. So basically for life sciences, I would give the basic sciences over here: botany, zoology, microbiology, and on the top is going to be the biotechnology.
The next question is, why one should think life sciences as a promising career field? Why this question? Because lots of other careers are available. Okay. Exactly. So why one should, prefer life sciences as their career?
This is the gist actually.
Yeah.
Okay. See, if I have to enlist, I would not go into too much of detail, but I'll give you 4 important reasons why a person should enter into life sciences. Okay. Out of that, first is, it's going to stay there forever. As far as living beings, human beings are there, this particular field is not going to die. It's going to be green. Okay, so one can count down on this particular field. This is the first reason. Second is, under the life science roof, there are many domains. Because of this, we have diversity. We have many options to choose the one which suits us and the one which we are interested in.
Right.
So we have a lot of options. That's the second reason.
Right.
Third is, many people don't know. They feel that it's always the engineering and other sectors which are skill-based.
Right.
Today, I would like to firmly remove this misunderstanding to the listeners. That is, life science is also a skill-based study.
Right. Okay.
Mind my words, like if your skill, your technology is best, the industries are going to come behind you just for your technology.
Right.
So, third reason is it is skill-based. Okay. And the fourth and the most important reason is that आपल्याला असं वाटतं की याच्यामध्ये बिझनेस होऊ शकेल की नाही, but then to be very honest, life science is such a field with this particular government that we have a wide scope for entrepreneurship.
Oh, really? This is new.
Yeah. With the Ayush guidelines coming up and the loans coming up for a small scale manufacturing, today if I decide that my Ayurveda hand is working very well on the patients that I have been working on, can have my own product.
Right.
With the starting loan which is coming up from the government.
Right.
So I think these 4 reasons are sufficient for somebody to choose life science.